1. 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air Gasser. Price, $13,500, located Bonner Springs, Kansas. The 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air Gasser is a classic American hot rod that perfectly captures the spirit of vintage drag racing culture. Finished in an aggressive black exterior with a gray interior, this street and strip machine combines timeless Chevrolet styling with serious performance upgrades. Built in the traditional Gasser style, the car stands out wherever it goes and attracts attention from both classic car enthusiasts and drag racing fans. Power comes from a small block Chevrolet engine equipped with a massive 471 supercharger, delivering impressive horsepower and unmistakable blower performance. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission that provides reliable operation and easy cruising. Despite not being driven extensively during the past year, the vehicle starts immediately, maintains excellent oil pressure, and remains ready for enjoyment. All lights and electrical components are reported to function properly. The Bel Air offers a solid foundation for cruising, local car shows, and occasional drag strip outings. The only known mechanical issue is a rear leaf spring that may require replacement or re-arching. With a clean title in hand, unique Gasser styling, and proven supercharged performance, this Chevrolet represents an exciting opportunity to own a distinctive piece of American automotive history. 2. 1965 Rambler American. Price, $14,500, located Ames, Iowa. The 1965 Rambler American is far from an ordinary classic sedan. Beneath its vintage appearance lies a serious performance build designed to surprise modern muscle cars while retaining the unique character that makes Rambler vehicles so memorable. Finished in a striking blue exterior, this custom-built machine offers an exciting combination of rarity, power, and individuality. At the heart of the vehicle is a supercharged small-block Chevrolet engine that provides impressive horsepower and torque. The engine is backed by a durable turbo 400 automatic transmission, a combination well known for handling substantial performance demands. Power is transferred through a Ford 9-inch rear axle, one of the most respected rear-end assemblies in the performance automotive world. The car also benefits from a full-frame construction setup that adds strength and rigidity, making it suitable for spirited driving and performance applications. With approximately 1,000 miles since completion, this Rambler represents a fresh build with very limited use. Whether displayed at local car events or enjoyed on the street, it offers a unique alternative to more common muscle cars. This classic American sedan delivers vintage charm combined with serious modern performance potential. 3. 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe. Price, $23,500, located Litchfield, Minnesota. The 1977 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe is a professionally built drag racing machine that combines proven track performance with exceptional attention to detail. Finished in blue and backed by a clean title, this Camaro has been carefully engineered to deliver consistent results while maintaining the appearance of a well-prepared competition vehicle. Under the hood is a freshly built 408 cubic inch small-block Chevrolet engine producing approximately 635 horsepower. Built using a Dart SHP block and AFR cylinder heads, the engine was completed in 2023 with no expense spared during construction. The drivetrain includes a Powerglide transmission with transbrake, a reed case, and a strange 9-inch rear end equipped with 35 spline axles and 4.30 gears. Additional features include a 6-point roll cage, Caltrax suspension, AFCO double adjustable shocks, fuel cell, Magna fuel pump, MSD ignition system, digital delay wiring, and Willwood front disc brakes. The vehicle has proven itself capable of running impressive eighth-mile times while remaining reliable and competitive. Ready to race immediately, this Camaro needs nothing and offers an outstanding opportunity for anyone seeking a turnkey drag racing car with a winning track record. 4. 1992 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe. Price, $10,000, located Madison, Wisconsin. The 1992 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe is a heavily modified performance car built for enthusiasts who appreciate modern LS power in a classic fourth-generation Camaro platform. Finished in a bold orange exterior with a black interior, this Camaro offers aggressive styling and a long list of high-performance upgrades that make it stand out from ordinary street cars. Power comes from a 5.3-liter LS engine featuring forged H-beam connecting rods, forged flat-top pistons, ported cylinder heads, LS7 lifters, upgraded valve springs, titanium retainers, and a BTR Stage 3 turbo camshaft. Supporting modifications include long tube headers, upgraded timing components, and a high-volume oil pump. The engine is paired with a rebuilt Turbo 400 automatic transmission equipped with performance clutch upgrades and a Transgo shift kit. Additional features include a 3400 stall converter, Walbro fuel pump, braided fuel lines, nitrous system with a 10-pound bottle, and a custom Pioneer audio setup. While the vehicle may require attention to a possible rod bearing or lifter issue, it remains an excellent opportunity for performance enthusiasts seeking a powerful project with extensive upgrades already completed. 5. 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe. Price, $22,500, located Cornell, Wisconsin. The 1986 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 Coupe is a professionally built drag racing machine that combines show-quality appearance with serious strip performance. Finished in a striking red exterior with a matching red interior, this rust-free Camaro presents exceptionally well and reflects the care invested throughout its development as a competitive race car. Built as a dedicated drag vehicle during the late 1990s, the Camaro features a back-half chassis conversion with ladder bar suspension for improved traction and stability. Under the hood sits a freshly built 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine equipped with forged internals, aftermarket roller rockers, Victor Jr. intake manifold, stainless steel headers, and a hydraulic flat tappet camshaft. An MSD ignition system and MSD 7AL ignition box provide reliable spark delivery. Power is transferred through a 2-speed Powerglide transmission with electronic shifting and a Ford 9-inch rear axle. The vehicle benefits from clean wiring, excellent paint quality, and careful assembly throughout. For racers seeking a proven drag car that combines visual appeal with dependable performance, this Camaro Z28 represents an outstanding opportunity and a unique addition to any collection. 6. 1972 Ford Grand Torino GT Coupe. Price, $28,500, located St. Peter, Minnesota. The 1972 Ford Grand Torino GT Coupe is a highly desirable classic muscle car that combines original authenticity with carefully completed restoration work. Finished in a vibrant red exterior over a black interior, this numbers-matching Grand Torino remains true to its heritage while offering the reliability and comfort expected by modern classic car enthusiasts. Power comes from the original 351 Cleveland V8 engine, which has undergone a complete rebuild and dyno testing to ensure strong performance and dependable operation. The engine is paired with a rebuilt C4 automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifting and enjoyable cruising characteristics. Together, these components provide the powerful driving experience that made the Grand Torino a respected name during the golden era of American muscle cars. Additional highlights include functional air conditioning, refreshed interior materials, newly installed carpeting, and recovered front seats. The vehicle also retains some original documentation, adding value and authenticity for collectors. Originally a Kansas car, it has been well preserved and continues to drive exceptionally well. This Grand Torino offers an ideal balance of originality, performance, comfort, and long-term collectible appeal. 7. 1975 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $11,000, located Fairchild, Wisconsin. The 1975 Chevrolet Vega is a unique custom classic that combines compact styling with traditional American V8 performance. Known by many enthusiasts as the El Vega, this distinctive vehicle has been transformed into an eye-catching cruiser that consistently attracts attention at car shows, local events, and weekend gatherings. Under the hood is a Chevrolet 327 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a TH350 3-speed automatic transmission. This proven drivetrain combination provides strong acceleration, reliable operation, and the unmistakable sound that muscle car enthusiasts appreciate. Additional upgrades include rack and pinion steering for improved handling, dual exhaust for enhanced performance and sound, and Camaro wheels that complement the vehicle's aggressive appearance. The exterior is finished in white with a charcoal interior, creating a clean and classic presentation. A Dixie air horn adds a fun and memorable touch that helps make this Vega stand out from the crowd. Whether cruising local streets or participating in car shows, the vehicle delivers an enjoyable driving experience and plenty of conversation wherever it goes. This Chevrolet Vega offers a rare combination of individuality, V8 power, and classic custom car character. 8. 1983 Pontiac Firebird Street Strip Car. Price, $15,000, located Bloomer, Wisconsin. The 1983 Pontiac Firebird Street Strip Car is a versatile performance machine built to excel both on the street and at the drag strip. Designed with a focus on reliability, power, and drivability, this Firebird delivers an exciting combination of modern LS performance and classic Pontiac styling. Power comes from a carbureted 6.0-liter LS engine producing more than 500 horsepower on pump gasoline. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission, a 3000 stall converter, and a 3.70 Posey rear axle that provides strong acceleration and dependable traction. The vehicle has recorded quarter-mile performances in the 12-second range and is capable of even quicker times under favorable conditions. The suspension system features aftermarket tubular components throughout, improving strength, handling, and overall chassis performance. Additional upgrades include race seats, harness bar, subframe connectors, drag radial tires, and a 17-gallon fuel cell. Despite its impressive capabilities, the car remains street drivable and has successfully completed numerous trips to and from the racetrack under its own power. With no rust and proven performance credentials, this Firebird is an outstanding choice for enthusiasts seeking a true street and strip performer. 9. 1967 Plymouth Belvedere Gasser. Price, $30,000, located Clayton, Wisconsin. The 1967 Plymouth Belvedere Gasser is a striking example of classic American drag racing heritage, built to capture the unmistakable look and attitude of the golden age of gasser competition. Featuring the iconic elevated front stance and aggressive appearance that made gasser cars famous, this Belvedere stands out as a serious performance platform with tremendous potential. The body presents as a very clean and well-maintained example, making it an attractive option for collectors and racers alike. Its classic Mopar styling remains instantly recognizable, with the Belvedere's distinctive lines providing the perfect foundation for a competition-inspired build. Whether displayed at automotive events or prepared for track duty, this vehicle commands attention wherever it appears. The car is currently being offered without an engine, giving the next owner complete freedom to install a power plant of their choice. For buyers seeking a turnkey package, the seller also offers the possibility of installing an engine at an additional cost. With its solid condition, classic gasser configuration, and legendary Plymouth heritage, this Belvedere represents a rare opportunity to own an authentic drag racing icon from the muscle car era. 10. 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1. Price, $38,000, located St. Paul Park, Minnesota. The 1971 Ford Mustang Mach 1 remains one of the most recognizable muscle cars of its generation, combining aggressive styling, powerful V8 performance, and exceptional collector appeal. Finished in an eye-catching red exterior accented by gold racing stripes across the hood and trunk, this Mustang delivers the bold appearance that enthusiasts expect from the legendary Mach 1 package. Power comes from a 351 Cleveland V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, creating a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. With approximately 67,000 miles, the vehicle has been carefully maintained and continues to perform well both on the road and at automotive events. The engine remains one of the most respected Ford power plants of the muscle car era, known for its strong performance and durability. Additional highlights include chrome wheels, a rear spoiler, and recently installed tires. The exterior presents exceptionally well and reflects the care given to the vehicle throughout its life. Professionally appraised at a value higher than the asking price, this Mustang Mach 1 offers a combination of performance, style, and investment potential that continues to attract classic Ford enthusiasts worldwide. 11. 1978 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Twin Turbo. Price, $12,000, located Bellevue, Iowa. The 1978 Chevrolet Monte Carlo Twin Turbo is a serious drag-and-drive machine engineered for enthusiasts who demand exceptional power and modern performance technology. Built around a proven LS-based platform, this Monte Carlo combines classic Chevrolet styling with the capabilities of a contemporary high-horsepower street and strip car. At the heart of the build is a twin-turbocharged 5.3-liter LS engine designed to operate on either E85 fuel or race fuel when maximum performance is required. Supporting the engine is a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a heavy-duty Ford 9-inch rear axle, creating a drivetrain package capable of handling substantial horsepower. Advanced electronic management is provided by a Holley HP system and Holley Pro Dash display, allowing precise monitoring and tuning capabilities. Additional features include an arc switch panel and numerous race-oriented upgrades that make the vehicle fully prepared for competition or high-performance street use. The car is described as turnkey and ready to drive immediately, requiring no additional work before enjoying its capabilities. For enthusiasts seeking a powerful turbocharged classic, this Monte Carlo delivers impressive performance and outstanding value. 12. 1974 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $16,500, located Memphis, Missouri. The 1974 Chevrolet Nova is a well-preserved classic muscle car that offers an excellent combination of performance, originality, and everyday drivability. Finished in an attractive green exterior with a black interior, this Nova stands out as one of the better examples remaining from an era that helped define American performance automobiles. Under the hood sits a strong-running 400 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with a performance camshaft and a quick fuel 4-barrel carburetor. This setup provides impressive throttle response, strong acceleration, and the unmistakable sound expected from a classic muscle car. Power is delivered through a dependable 3-speed automatic transmission that makes the vehicle easy and enjoyable to drive. The body and interior are both reported to be in excellent condition, reflecting years of careful ownership and maintenance. Particular attention has been given to preserving the underside of the vehicle, an area often affected by age and corrosion on many classic cars. Whether used as a weekend cruiser, local car show participant, or addition to a growing collection, the Chevrolet Nova offers timeless styling, V8 performance, and lasting collector appeal.